Introducing ChIPmentation, the latest innovation from Diagenode, with the potential to take your epigenetics research to new heights. Based on tagmentation, Diagenode's ChIPmentation technology combines library preparation with ChIP itself using transposase and sequencing-compatible adapters. Say goodbye to standard library preparation protocols and multi-step ligation. ChIPmentation incorporates an easier and shorter protocol that saves time, lowers costs, and may even reduce input requirements. In addition to removing one full day from the standard ChIP-seq library preparation protocol, ChIPmentation also helps with quality control by eliminating the risk of adapter dimer sequencing. It's ideal for analysis of various histone marks on large cohorts of samples, and it ensures high-quality data, even with low cell numbers and rare cell types. Two versions of protocol have been validated: a manual procedure and an automated protocol on the IP-Star compact automated system. The combination of direct adapter incorporation and automation on the IP-Star allows for higher sensitivity from low cell numbers. And because it supports standardization, you'll get results faster and they'll be more reproducible. Could your research benefit from faster, more accurate ChIP-seq results? Contact Diagenode today to learn more.